Luffy, Gear 5, a kind of an easier pose. I've done Gear 5 Luffy probably 4 or 5 times now, but it's all like angles and feet and lightning and all that kind of stuff. I haven't done like just a straightforward portrait of him yet. I don't think I have anyway. Let's do it now. So let's give it a go. Landscape page, use a pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. We're going to start with his eyebrows. Spiraling little eyebrows, curving around, right? Little spiral there. And then we go, make it long and sort of round at the end. You do the same thing on the other side. Okay, roughly. His eyes then are just like these round sort of circles that are kind of broken at the bottom, so they don't like join together. You can join them together if you want, of course. They don't seem to join together in the picture I'm drawn from. Then red eyes, circle, pupil in the middle. Same thing on the other side. So we'll go around like so, to there, and then circle for the iris, and pupil in the middle. Nose comes out, down, curves around and up. And then his nostrils are just like dots on the bottom. And then sometimes they'll add like lines and stuff along here. He's got a scar there. And then his mouth, big smile, crazy big. Looks like it's closed, but we open it up. So we go down, around, like so. Teeth. Come across, bottom teeth. Mouth is kind of open. And then big one piece teeth lines. Like so, and I think you can see like his tongue just curling around the back there. Like maybe a bit of a nose line there, a frowning line. And then he's got that sort of wine glass face shape, so it's like his chin is here, but it just continues to go around that shape for his face, right? It just goes like a wine glass, the top of it. His hair then, so we've got all these blobby sort of, it's like dreadlocks, but it's kind of like cloud and stuff. It's different every time. I've seen it drawn lots of different ways, so a spiral there, another spiral here, and then down around this way, and his ears just stick out here. And then ear lines inside. Right, and then hair comes out. It's all this big spiky cloudy stuff. do, do. And just keep going. Okay, so neck, right, so it goes down this way. And then like neck muscle lines, center line for his chest, and the chest muscles at the top going this way, and then at the bottom this way, kind of like a book. And then we have his waistcoat just flowing down here. Just back up underneath. It's kind of like, it's a flowy, wavy kind of thing anyway. It goes, disappears off that way. And then it goes back up over the shoulder, or beside his shoulder, just up there. Do, 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 do. Same on that side. Right, and his like collar of his waistcoat just here, and his shoulder muscle. So he's like clenching his fist, right? So his shoulder like just goes down, sort of behind here. It's like his hands are down straight, but we'll add fists and stuff in a minute. So his side of his body is here, and then we have his scar and his abs, right? So ab lines just there. Like some ab lines going that way. And then the scar, just this X marks the spot on the chest. And because it's scar tissue, they have like all these texture lines on it. And we got buttons on his waistcoat. Another fold line there. There. And straw hat, bumping around. And then the way it's tied, it's just like around his neck here. Disappears sort of down this way. Just a piece of string, basically. And then the inside of that hat, you know, the dark section. And then we got like just these sort of texture lines going down. Like so. Okay, another line there. Okay, so his fists, right? So he's clenching two fists, and then we have all the smoke that comes out from behind his head. So, right, so rubbery guy. So we'll just go this way first, right? And then we meet like knuckles. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this goes out that way. Then around here. Next one, there. There, and the little finger folds back in on itself. So each of these then is a finger. And then we have little finger lines. And then that curves that way. And then he's got like cloth, like his sleeve, coming out from underneath, going that way. Same over here then. So let's try and copy this then. Two, three, four knuckles. This is the index finger, which just kind of curves around like that. And then we have the next finger beside it. Next one, doop, next one, doop. And this is the pinky, so you can see the side of it. So it kind of like folds in on itself. Then you got some knuckle lines. Boom, boom, boom. And then like the palm, did I draw that? Yeah, the palm of his hand. And then this wrist goes into his frilly sort of sleeve again here. There's this smoke that comes out from behind, you know, his body, I think it comes out from around him. But thumb, getting distracted, thumb, palm of the hand, and then all that smoke that comes all around him. So let's just go for this. You can do this kind of any way you want, right? So it's just like big, crazy. So it's a double, you know. Right, coming out this way, and I'll go like all the way around to the other side. And you can do this kind of any way you want. Just make it look spiky and smoky. Oh yeah, and I add a spiral every now and then. I think that's everything. Gear 5 Luffy. Straightforward pose. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.